So this lesson is on supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are defined as angles that add up to 180 degrees. So they add up to 180 degrees. So any two angles that add up to 180 are called supplementary. For example, and there's an infinite number of answers, but if we had, for example, 30 degrees and 150 degrees are supplementary. Whatever. Another example could be 45 degrees and 135 degrees are also supplementary. There's an infinite number of examples that you could give for this. I apologize about the formatting on this. When I made it bigger so you could see it, it kind of had a little bit of fun on me. This should be down here a little bit. Same idea as before. This is an obtuse angle. Our triangle is created by drawing a vertical line straight down to the x-axis, and this is our terminal arm. So we're going to look at, so if I move this down to where it should be, we're going to look at the relationship between two angles, one of which is in quadrant 1. Oh, that wasn't very straight. Always use a ruler. It's like trig rule number 1. Always use a ruler. Not very vertical. Okay. We're going to look at the relationship between the triangle in this quadrant and the similar triangle that is created in this triangle. So you may have heard of these as the rotation angle and the reference angle. So the reference angle is the acute angle. And we call it the reference angle because this is essentially the triangle that we use, just in a different quadrant. And the rotation angle is the angle that we're using in the obtuse sense. But, in a sense, this really is all the same thing. We're always using the same triangle. It's just in different quadrants. So as we saw the last time when we were learning about these obtuse angles in the second quadrant, sine theta is this one, and we're going to call this, the obtuse angle is going to be beta. Sine is always positive. Okay, so if we have sine of this angle, it's going to be the same as sine of the supplementary angle beta. Okay. If we have cosine of theta, then the supplementary angle that is in the second quadrant is just going to be the same value, only negative. And tan theta, tan of this angle, is going to be the same as the negative one in the second quadrant. So hopefully that makes sense. We're going to work through some examples just to clarify it.